In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable or disable auto refresh in Tradingview Screener. If you use the Tradingview stock screener to track movers or filter opportunities, auto refresh can be a real-time saver. It keeps your data updating without manual clicks, which is great when markets are moving quickly. On the other hand, there are times you'll want the list to stay still. Maybe you are sorting, comparing a few symbols side by side, or taking notes, and that when turning auto refresh off is helpful. Here is how to control it in a clear, simple way. Start by opening your charts in Tradingview so you are in the main workspace. From there, look to the right side panel and click Screener to open the stock screener below your chart. This is where your filters, columns, and sorting live, and it's also where the auto refresh option is controlled. Now focus on the top right corner of the screener panel. You'll see the refresh button and right next to it, a small gear icon for settings. Click that gear icon to open the screener's settings menu. Within this menu, find the auto refresh section. This is the control that sets how often the screener updates your data automatically. To turn auto refresh off completely, select off. This is ideal when you want a stable view that won't change while you analyze results. Copy tickers or fine-tune filters. If you want the screener to update on its own, choose one of the available intervals. Select 10 seconds for more frequent updates when you are watching fast-moving markets or timing entries closely. Or pick 1 minute for a steadier pace that keeps information fresh without changing too rapidly. Your choice applies immediately, and you can change it any time by returning to the same settings gear next to the refresh button. Keep in mind that with auto refresh enabled, the list may reshuffle if you've sorted by a real-time column since new data is coming in. If that movement is distracting while you compare symbols, switch to off temporarily. Then re-enable the interval you prefer when you are ready. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.